And it is time to eat, Mzansi. Dumi, this looks absolutely delicious. I mean, if you were to just give us a recap of everything that we made in the kitchen today.
Yeah, so today we kept it light. We kept it very simple, nothing too heavy. We've got some crispy chicken livers that we made here with our amazing ingredients. And then we've also got the sweet but amazing apple and custard muffins that we made.
Yeah.
So, Parisa, we're covering all the bases here. We're making sure we've got something savory, but also something sweet as well.
I know you're ticking every box, as you always do throughout the year. I mean, if we were to just touch base again, you've already told us that some of your resolutions for 2021 in this new year is for you to continue on the health wagon, keeping things fit and trim and slim, as you have been doing such a good job. I know, Mzansi, I'm not the only one that sees Dumi's progress. Congratulations,
Thank
girl.
you.
But if you were to take these resolutions a step further, what else would that be? I mean, even when it comes to the little man.
Well, like most people know, my son has moved to Cape Town with me, and I've never in my life since he was born lived with him, just the two of us. So this is the first step, you know, this is the first, and the biggest thing for me is to make sure that I just provide the most comfortable space for him. And I think with 2020, we've all had a hectic year before. So this year is to just basically align my chakras and just make sure that everything goes as it should. All my goals, whatever I couldn't do last year, just to do that this year and possibly get that food truck.
Yeah, that you've been talking about. Don't think we forgot. But that's also the reality for most South Africans. Whatever resolutions and goals we had in the previous year, in 2020, our pivots had kind of been shifted, you know. Our goals, what we had to do in the past, now has all changed. But I appreciate the fact that you've just carried it over to 2021, not abandoning your goals, but just prolonging them, I think.
Of course, and I think, girl, it would be amiss of me to not even ask you, because you're constantly asking the rest of South Africa, what are your plans for 2021?
Oh, I got so many plans, South Africa. Okay, no, but on a very serious note, I just loved everything that you spoke about, because you have a holistic approach, not only within the health sector, but also financially and within your family. And I think I'm going the same way as you, making sure that I live a more balanced lifestyle, not neglecting the fitness elements. As you guys saw, I was sweating it out when it came to working out with Carly. So I want to make sure that, you know, I'm able to keep up with everyone in my life, and also, you know, going back to basics when it comes to our food. So speaking of the food, I'm just going to have a little bit of a taste and let you know what I think. Yeah, have some sauce, girl.
I think it's all in your face. I can see it, Jane, in your face. The bite that you took there says a lot.
Dumi, I actually was struggling and thinking, how are we going to be able to taste that delicious lemony flavor within the chicken livers? But it's there. I don't even have to search my palate too much. I can taste the lemon, I can taste that citrusiness, but also that crunch. The crunch you promised. You delivered. You delivered. This is delicious, Dumi.
I'm glad.
And of course, we've just got a little bit of a sweet chili sauce that we're dipping it into here, adding to that creaminess, and of course, ilof, isinkwa. I know that, as we said, that, you know, some of these refined carbs we have to run away from, but, you know, balance is everything.
True. True. I think that's the biggest thing, making sure you balance everything, because we're talking now about our diets. When people talk about diets, which is what I love, when the dietitian came in, she said that it's about balancing.
Yeah.
A lot of us try to diet and to try to take things out of your menu when it's just about balancing it out, you know. Yes, there are carbs, but there also are good carbs that we could replace the refined carbs with. So, girl, I'm doing the balancing act here in my mouth. This food is amazing.
Now, let's find out what South Africa has to say about their resolutions when it comes to 2021. We've got Bimi, and Bimi says, I have changed my afternoon snacks, chocolates and chips, and I've included walking and running into my daily routine. How does that sound to you, Dumi? Could you abandon all of your snacks?
I actually have. I used to be a snack person. I used to have amazimba, as we call them, all the time. But funny enough, I can't even have them anymore. So kudos.
To Abobimi.
Yes.
Let's head over to social media again, and Gloria has something to say. She contributed by saying, I've been trying to eat healthy food, playing music, and do some exercises because I can't go out as usual because of this pandemic. Hashtag Afternoon Express. If I continue scrolling, J.O. Bradley Brown also has given us his 2 cents, and he says, guys, can we take a moment to appreciate Chef Dumi's new look? Loving the new hairstyle, girlfriend.
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. This is part of the alignment I was talking about.
Yeah.
You know, because a lot of people place so much attention on physical appearance being about your hair, about this, about that. So, and I've always said I've got an ugly head. I shaved my head off, guys. Gandhi. I don't have mountains and crevices and avenues. It's a nice little round head. That's okay, you know. So yeah, I'm just falling more in love with myself each and every day.
Well, we're falling more in love with you. I mean, the youthful radiance that this haircut gives you, and though your confidence, you know, you're coming with some other type of energy that we're all about here on Afternoon Express in this new year. I mean, if I continue on social media, though, we also have so many more viewers who've given us their opinions. We've got Usnoti Zwane, who says, 2 workouts a day, 30 minutes each. As much as I'm a foodie, I still make sure that at least one of my meals of the day is healthy. And this is always my breakfast. I don't know, I'm not much of a breakfast person.
Well done to Snoti, because a lot of people don't get that their food is very important. So well done to Snoti for making sure that at least one of her meals is healthier.
Well, talking about meals being healthy, I'm going to dive into this muffin and this cupcake that you've given us. Now, you've promised us an apple one.
Apple
I
and
love
custard.
my apples. Ooh, let me get that open for myself and dive in and give you my expert opinion.
Please.
Now, I'm not a pastry fanatic like that, but I do love a sweet treat at the end of a day. And it is hump day, it being a Wednesday. So let's see how this is going to get me over that hump.
Please be honest. Tell South Africa the truth. Tell South Africa the truth. They want to know.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
I do me this year.
Thank you.
If you want to be bringing this in the kitchen, I want to see so much more. And I know previously, I mean, from yesterday's cook-along to last week, Friday, we kicked off the year with the cook-along. Is this a little bit of an idea of what to expect?
Basically, South Africa will be cooking along all year this year.
Oh, I'm very excited. Well, thank you so much for tuning in South Africa, making my day every day just by tuning in. From us here on Afternoon Express, I say good night, God bless. Let's keep the conversation going on social media, and happy eating.
Happy eating.
Afternoon Express, made with love by Clover.